Okay, let's briefly talk about the structure causal models from the perspective of causal diagrams. Just to remember the diagram that I showed you in the introduction episode at the beginning, where we describe a topological structure about our lifetime events. And here, the invariant mechanism in this presentation are sort of illustrated into each of the arrows in over this diagram. For example, if we take the factor business success, then by looking this diagram, we can quickly grab a mechanism. For example, we can write down the formula. Simple formula goes like this. We can say once success will equals to social wealth plus political power plus sort of influencer. Again, this formula is only for demonstration. So given this formula, given this mechanism, we expect it to be sort of general one, to be invariant. We expect it can be applied to most of the people, because only by that we can say this diagram is there is more causal significance about this causal diagram, and we are more confident to ensure we can really learn such a diagram from the data. So to going further, I want to draw another dragon from from the causal discovery, which is we often describe a mechanism as autonomous. That is, again, back to our example, for this factor business success, we make sure it only depends on three of the factors: wealth, political powers, and influencer. We sort of exclude other factors to dominate this mechanism. For example, we don't care about the weather, we don't care about the temperature, and so forth. So the word autonomous here means we have already specified which one should be the cause that govern the mechanism. Okay, so additionally, I want to make a supplement. Um, Although this content is a bit got out of this presentation, but I think it's very important. That is, when we are talking about this invariant mechanism, uh, it turns out it has something to do with the counterfactual thinking, which we have already discussed in the previous episode. That is, if you think of it, if there's a causal diagram and equipped with some environment mechanism, then such things is unchangeable. So these ideas kind of gives us an opportunity to to sort of build a bridge between the current world and the counterfactual world. So this is quite important when we are modeling counterfactual thinking. Okay, so to help you connect to the next topic, next idea, let me show you a sentence from Professor Poor. And I know this appears to be a bit a negative comment here, but let's discuss more in the following. Or maybe first of all, we have to figure out what is the Markov integrator models. Okay, we'll discuss this in the next video.